So when I started in real estate in 2009, nothing was built. There was nothing around. None of these buildings, none of the activity. Nobody wanted to live down here. And now, fast forward to 10 years later, this place is bustling. There's cranes everywhere. There's plenty of restaurants. There's plenty of shops. Welcome to 88 Greenwich Street. Welcome to 613. Your next residence. I'm just kidding. This is the elevator bank. But it just shows you the quality of 88 Greenwich Street. What does everyone in New York City talk about? The lack of storage. We got lined closets at the entrance, a whole row right here. And this kind of actually feels like a one bedroom, easily fitting a queen size bed with your own HVAC unit to cool you in the summer. As we make our way into the main residence, you're gonna notice a, no pun intended, toothbrush-ready bathroom tiling throughout. In this kitchen, to be marveled at, you have Viking, Sub-Zero, top-of-the-line appliances, beautiful stone countertop, and wood paneling. Your living space, completely separate from your bedroom, is set up exactly how I would. You have your entertaining area, couch, beautiful coffee table, and of course where you're gonna eat. A lot of natural light comes through the room, and most importantly, it's quiet. So if you're looking for a full-service condominium building with all the amenities that you can want, surrounded by subways, nightlife, and all the restaurants, including the Westside bike path, then call me, Charles Botenston from BPI. Have an amazing day.